Cause I've been up in the night, just trying to be honest, but you're cutting the corners, though, holding on close to your pride.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to get this look, a cut crease brown tones with glitter. And I'm going to start off using my Modern Renaissance, and I am using the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm using it as my transition color. So I'm just putting it on top of my crease line for my transition, and I'm just grabbing a little bit because this palette is very pigmented. So just grab a little bit and just keep adding more as you go. And I'm just going swiping back and forth, and also doing small rotating, just rotating your brush so you can get that nice blend. So just keep going back and forth, and like I said, keep adding product to your brush as you go to make it darker, as dark as you want it to be. The second shade that I'm using is Warm Tampu, and I'm using this brown. It's a lighter brown. I'm using this shade also on top of my crease. I don't want it on my crease line yet because I'm going to do a darker brown on my crease. So just make sure this is on top of your crease. It doesn't matter if it's a little lower, but just as long as you get some product on top of your crease. So just keep adding as you go to make it darker. And I'm just blending in with this brush, and I'm using Cypress Ombre for which is a darker brown in this palette, and I'm using this one on my crease. Yes guys, I realize that it looks really bad on camera, but trust me, the end result is actually really pretty. I've taken a look at it and I'm not liking it how it looks, but as you go it will get better, I promise. But just darken it up until you want it, and make sure you grab a clean brush to go back and blend the colors together, because we don't want it to look ugly and choppy or whatever. So just grab a nice clean brush. Then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade, sorry guys, in the shade 15, sorry. And I'm just cutting my lid first, as you can see, and then I'm swiping out like so. And I just want to get them as close as I can to the same shape. And as you can see, the shape is forming how you want. So just be patient and work with it. Use little product. And then I am using Tempera for to set my crease. That way when I blink it doesn't get on top or anything like that. And then I'm using my NYX liquid crystal liner on my crease line. And make sure you guys don't blink during this process, because it takes a while to dry, and that's one thing that I have a problem with. I always blink when I'm doing this process. As you can see, my eye is blinking. I don't know why, and then it just kind of messes up the look because it's not fully dry, and then you smear it all the way on your upper lid, and yeah, then it just looks bad. So just make sure it dries up before you blink. And then I'm using this Black Essence liner for my upper water lid and also my lower water lid. Excuse me guys. And then I'm using my NYX liquid liner, and guys, this liquid liner is my go-to. Like, I don't know what I would do if they discontinued this, but this is my go-to, just because the the brush is so thin, and I don't know about you guys, but I like to work with like really thin brushes, so this is my go-to when I want to do my liners. But yes guys, this is, as you can see, I smeared my my crystal liner, so make sure it dries up before you do anything else. Make sure it dries up, and I am hamming you guys on this. Make sure it dries up, otherwise it's not gonna turn out the way you want it to. So yeah guys, and I did my face off camera, and this is the finished look guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget guys, I will be having a giveaway when I reach 1K, and I'm so close guys, so just keep sharing my videos. Make sure you like, make sure you guys are consistent, because when I hit 1K I will be doing like small giveaways, like gift cards from Sephora or Ulta. So I will be doing like small giveaways, okay guys? So just keep on watching and my videos, and make sure to help me to get to 1K, and subscribe guys. Make sure to share and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye everyone. See you next video.